Alright, we have a double Keller Tools compression riveter, size number 10 DCH. Their serial numbers are one off from each other. But we're just going to show you real quick. There's only one foot pedal, so if you want to use both of them in tandem, you'll have to get another foot pedal, which shouldn't be that difficult. Here's your air in down there. Let's just go ahead here. It's pretty simple. Okay, let's plug in this other one. All right. Okay. Hold her down once. Hold the pedal down. Okay. On this left side one, if you hold the pedal down, it'll release. This one you don't have to hold the pedal down. But anyways, I think it's how it's set up. Maybe on this, how far you want to compress or whatever. Here we go. Thanks for watching.